welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude class, and this has been the 53rd class of the sessions. As you know that we had completed your 52th classes in arithmetical ability of quantitative aptitude. We had done your operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, averages, square roots and cube roots, as well as we had done your problems on numbers, problems on ages, and now we had to start discuss about the ninth topic of arithmetical ability, that has been the surds and indices. Surds and indices we had started in the last classes where we had completed your 13th questions there. Today we'll start discussing about the 14th questions of surds and indices. And before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. We'll go ahead with a 14th question of the sessions here. The question states that if x is equals to y to the power a and y equals to z power b and z equals to x to the power c, then find the value of a, b, c here. That is, we have to find the value for the power here, and that has been the important one. So we'll go ahead for the same. If x equals to y power a, y equals to z power b and z is equals to x power c, then find the value of a, b and c here. That is, we have to find out. We'll go ahead for the solution for the same here, that we have to talk about it, and that has been here that what we have to go ahead. So we'll let it that z1 equals to x c is equals to y of a and c, which is, we can say that that is your x is equals to y of a. For the y, if ac equals to z b ac, where we can say that y is equals to z power c, then we have here that is z of b ac is equals to z a b c, and where a b c is equals to 1, that we have as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another question, that has been the 15th questions of the session, that what we have to discuss here, which is also an important here. So we'll go ahead for the same. That has been the 15th questions. The question is to simplify here, to simplify, that has been x power a, x power b, a square plus b square plus ab into x power b, x power c, b square plus c square plus bc into x power c, x power a, c square plus a square plus ca. This is a question for the given expression that we have. Now we'll have to solve for this given expression, that is being equals to x a minus b power of a square plus b square plus ab into x b minus c power of b square plus c square plus bc, x power of c minus a power of c square plus a square plus ca. Further we'll solve it out. X a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, x b minus c, which is b square plus c square minus bc plus bc, dot x c minus a, c square plus a square plus ca, where x is a cube minus b cube, dot x is b cube minus c cube, dot x c cube minus a cube is equals to x a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube, that is being equals to x power 0, and that is equals to 1 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another question that is being the important one here, and which is also important for the sake, which is being the 16th question of the sessions. The question is, which is larger? Which is larger is under root 2 or 3 under root 3. So for the same, we are given surds are of order are of order 2 and 3. Their LCM is 6. Changing each to a surd of order 6, we get under root 2 equals to 2 of half, that is being 2. 1 by 2 into 3 by 3, and which is 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, so it will be 2 3 upon 6, that is being 2 3 1 upon 6 equals to 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, so it will be 8 1 upon 6, that is equals to 6 under root 8 here. Okay, that has been representing. Now we'll solve for the another one, which is of cube root of 3 equals to 3 1 by 3 equals to 3 1 by 3 into 2 by 2 equals to 3 2 by 6, which is equals to 3 power 2 whole 1 upon 6, that is equals to 9. 1 upon 6 equals to 6 under root 9 that we have here, and on the same case clearly 6 under root 9 is greater than 6 under root 8, and hence 3 under root 3 is greater than under root 2 here, that we have as an answer. We'll go ahead for the next one that we talk about it, which is being very important as well, that is being your 17th question of the sessions here, as you can see. And now we'll go ahead for the same, which is the question is to find the largest from among 4 root 6 root 2 and 3 root 4 here. That what we have to find out. We'll go ahead for the same. Find the largest from among 4 under root 6 under root 2 and 3 under root 4. So for the same we have to talk about it, and even though that has been the important one as well. So for those we have to go ahead. That is being the 17th question. So given surds are of order 4, 2 and 3 respectively. Their LCM is 12. Okay, so changing each to a surd of order 12 we get that we have. So here for the same will be 4 under root 6 is equals to 6 1 upon 4, it is equals to 6 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 3, it will be 6 3 upon 12 whole, which is equals to 6 power 3 whole 1 upon 12 equals to 216 1 upon 12. For root 2 equals to 2 1 by 2 is equals to 2 1 by 2 into 6 into 6, that is equals to 2 6 upon 12, and then 2.6 1 upon 12, and that is being 64 1 upon 12 here. 4 3 root 4 equals to 4 1 upon 3 equals to 4, that is being 1 upon 3 into 4 into 4, which is equals to 4 4 upon 12 4 upon 4 1 upon 12 equals to 256 1 upon 12 here. So clearly 256 1 by 12 is greater than 216 1 by 12 is greater than 64 1 by 12 here. So largest one is 256 1 by 12, and that is the 3 under root 4 here that we have here. That is being the important as well. Now we'll go ahead for the next one that we have to talk about it, which is being the another important questions that we have to talk about as an answer, and that is being also important one too. We'll go ahead for the 18th question of the sessions as well. That is being the important one. The question is here we are in these next will the rest of the question will solve it out as the form of the the options that I will be providing you as well. The question is the value of 256 power 3 by 4 is that we have 5 by 4 is that we have to find out. We'll go ahead for the same. The value of 256 5 power 4 is, options we have 512, 984, 1024 and 1032. We'll go ahead for the same, and that's what we have to find out the answer for the same as well. We'll go ahead here, which is 256 5 by 4 is equals to 4. 256 for 4 4s 4, as will multiply by 4 times, like 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 4 is 256. That has been 5 by 4 is equals to 4. 4 into 5 by 4 is equals to this 4 being 4, cancel it out, we'll get 4 by 5. So 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 4 is 256, and 256 4 is 1024. That will be having as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another one that is being the another question as well, and which is your another question is your 19th question of the session. The question is the value of under root 8 1 by 3. So the value of under root 8 1 by 3 is, this is being here. Options for the same is 2 4 under root 2 and 8. That's what we have to talk about it, which is being the important as well. We'll go ahead for the same, which is under root 8 1 by 3 is equals to 8 1 by 2 1 by 3 is equals to 8 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 equals to 8 1 by 6, that is 2 power 3 1 by 6, which is equals to 2 3 into 1 by 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so it will be 2 1 by 2, and that is being equals to under root 2. So that will be the right answer for this particular question as well, and that is being important as here. Now we'll go ahead for the next one, that what we have to talk about it, which is being the 20th question of the sessions as well, and that is also being important here. 20th question we'll talk about it, and the questions we have as follows. That is the value of 32 upon 243 power minus 4 by 5 is, options we have 4 by 9, 9 by 4, 16 by 81 and 81 by 16. We'll go ahead for the same. The value of 32 upon 243 minus 4 by 5 that we have, we'll go ahead for the solution for the same. We'll go ahead for the solution for the same. We have here as 32 upon 2 43 upon minus 4 upon 5 is equals to 2 upon 3 power 5 minus 4 upon 5 equals to 2 upon 3 5 into minus 4 upon 5. This 5 being cancelled by this 5, the power being cancelled it out, so we'll get 2 upon 3 minus 4. So it is minus 4. अगर हम इसका reciprocal कर देंगे it will become positive. So 3 by 2 power 4 which is equals to 3 की power 4 and 2 की power 4 as well. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 20, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s is 31 that we have here. So on the same cases as we go ahead further, that has been on the same case, that is being your 2 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are is 81, that we have to talk about it upon, that has been 2 here. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so we'll get here 2 power 4 is here equals to 16 here. We'll go ahead for the next, and that what we have to talk about it, which is the another one here is your 21st question of the sessions as well. So that has been the important test here as well, and that is we have to talk about it. The question for the same we will be having here is which is being the another one, and that is being the important one as well, and that what we have to talk about it. And on the same cases, when we go ahead further, that we deal with many more questions. So yes, there is important that we have to focus on those questions. So the next question we have here is the value of minus 1 upon 216 power minus 2 by 3 is. The options for the same is 36, minus 36, 1 upon 36 and minus 1 upon 36 here. And for the same we have to go ahead, and that we'll have to find out here. Minus 1 upon 216 power minus 2 upon 3 is equals to minus 1 upon 6 power 3 minus 2 upon 3 equals to minus 1 upon 6 3 into minus 2 upon 3, 3 being cancel it out, and we'll get here as minus 1 upon 6 power minus 2. This minus 2 will become positive and will come here downward. 1 upon 1 minus 6 here, that is being the power 2. That negative value will be positive of power. It will be 1 upon 6, 6 are 36, so it will be 1 upon 36. And then when it will go upward, it will be becoming 36 here. So the answer we'll get is 36. That will be the right answer for this type of a questions here. We'll go ahead with 22nd question of the sessions as well, and the question to be as follows. The question is the value of 5 1 by 4 into 125 power 0.25 is, and that what we have to talk about it. The value of 5 1 by 4 into 125 power 0.25 is. Options we have under root 5 5 5 under root 5 and 25. So for the same we have to go ahead as well, that has been important too. That is, here is your 5 power 1 by 4 into 125 power 0.25 equals to 5 0.25 into 5 power 3 whole 0.25 is equals to 5 0.25 into 5 3 to 0.25 here, which has been 5 0.25 into 5 0.75 is equals to 5 0.25 plus 0.75, that is equals to 5 power 1. When we will add on, that has been equals to 5 here. 5 power 1 is equals to 5 only. We'll go ahead further, which will talk about the another question is being your another one is your 23rd question of the sessions as well. The options, the question is the value of 5 1 by 4 into 125 power 0.25 is, this is being the question, sorry, this is we had done. So the value of 1 upon 216 power minus 2.3 plus 1 upon 256 की power minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 32 की power minus 1 upon 5 here. This has been the question has been asked in your MBA examination paper. That has been important. The options for the same we have 102, 105, 107 and 109 as well. So we'll go ahead for the same and we'll find out for the solution for the same as well. That is being representing here as your 1 upon 216 minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 256 minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 32 minus 1 upon 5. So that is being equals to 1 upon 6 की power 3 minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 power 4, that is minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 5 power minus 1 by 5, which is further equals to, we'll have is your 1 upon 6 power 3 into that is minus 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 into minus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 5 into minus 1 upon 5 plus, that is being equals to 1 upon 6 power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 power minus 3 plus that is we have 1 upon, that is your the 2 power minus 1. Then further we'll go ahead, this is being the negative power, we'll go let it up here and that will become 6 power 2 plus 4 power 3 plus 2 power 1, which is equals to 6 6 are 36 plus 4 4 that is your 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64 and 2 power 1 is your of course 2 only. We'll add it on 62 plus 66 plus 2 is your 38 here and plus 64 is your 102 here. That will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead further, which is the another question we have to talk about it. That is being the another important question is being your, the question is 24th question of the sessions and the question is as follows. The value of 10 to the power 150 divided by 10 to the power 146 is, this has been asked in bank view question paper and the options for the same is 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh and 10 to the power 6 here. So the value of 10 to the power 150 divided by 10 to the power 146 is, this has been asked in your bank PO question paper as well. The options we have 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 to the power 6 here as well. This has been important too and that is also important for the same. Let's go for the solution for the same, we talk about it, which is 10 to the power 150 divided by 10 to the power 146. equals to 10 to the power 150 upon 10 to the power 146 is equals to 10 to the power 150 minus 146 equals to 10 to the power 4, and 10 to the power 4 equals to 0 and 0. Now we'll go ahead with another question that has been the another important questions here that has been important, and which has been 25th question of the sessions here. So 25th question of the session, we talk about it, and the question is 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to question mark. The options we have 3 into 10 to the power minus 5, 3 into 10 to the power 4, 3 into 10 to the power 5, and 30 as well. So we'll solve this particular question here for the same, and that is being the important as well. We'll go ahead. 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 upon 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to 24 into 10 to the power 2 upon 8 into 10 to the power minus 2 equals to 3 into 10 to the power 4 that we have as an answer here for the same. We'll go ahead with another question that has been the another one, and which has been the last as well, which is the 26th question of the session here. The question is being as follows. That has been the question is 1 upon 206 power minus 2 by 3 plus that is we have divided by, that is we have 1 upon 27 power minus 4 upon 3 is equals to question mark. So the options we have 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 4 by 9, and 1 by 8, and for the same we have to go ahead as well, and that's what we have to find out. So here for the same, that is being equals to, so here it will be your 216 power 2 by 3, it will be negative, so it will have been positive. We had just reciprocal it, divided by 27 for the same, that we had reciprocal it by 4 by 3, and then it will be represented in the form 246 2 by 3 upon 27 4 by 3 equals to 6 power 3 2 by 3 upon 3 power 3 4 by 3 is equals to 6 3 into 2 by 3 and 3 into 4 by 3 equals to 6 power 2 3 power 4 6 6 are 36 and 3 3s are 9 9 3s are 27 27 3s are 81. So it will be 36 upon 81. That will be the right answer for this particular question as well. We'll go ahead with another one, and that we'll discuss about it, which is we'll discuss from 27th questions of the sessions as well, and that has been important too. And in terms of class, we'll discuss about your 54th class in the next coming class. We will be ending it up here. Before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than that, we had done your software engineering and sociology. In terms of chemistry of class 12th, which is we are dealing with NCERT, where we had completed your unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 as well. I'll have to discuss many more things related to the chemistry, so that we'll discuss in the next coming class. Other than that, we are dealing with the chemistry here, reasoning, which has been divided into two sections: verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning, we had done your general mental ability and the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning, we have to cover up series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completion of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, and then cube formation, that we are dealing with the cubes and dice, problems on cubes and dice as well. Other than that, we are dealing with the DBMS, where we had done your ER diagrams on each and a different topic, and lastly we had done for online shopping. And now we will discuss about we will discuss about the organization, factory, or that is industry. We will talk about the ER diagram for the same. In terms of quantitative aptitude, this has been divided into two sections, which is arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability, we have to cover up your operations on numbers, receive and LCM of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square root and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, surds and indices that we are dealing with, where we had completed 26th question here as well. Next coming class we'll discuss for the same, and then we'll discuss percentage, profit loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, Python system, time and distance, problems on train, codes and streams, allegations or mixtures, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume, surface area, races and games of skills, calendar clocks, stocks and share, permutation and combination, probability to discount, bankers discount, height and distance, or may not series as well. In data interpretation, we have to cover up the tabulation, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we'll be ending it up, and before ending it up, as I told you, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go to the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. And thank you, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on the comment box. Thank you.